make this together. All right, let's go. Hi guys. Hey, can you see? Okay, yeah, you can see. I'm mixing up my liquid diamonds. I put in 2 teaspoons of resin to 1 teaspoon of hardener. And my little medicine cup here, or it's not really a medicine cup. I just got a bag of these at the dollar store. Actually, I bought a couple of them. 24 shot cups. So I'm mixing up my liquid diamonds, and it looks like it's already mixed up pretty good. I picked the liquid diamonds because it has such a low viscosity. It's actually, they call it extra low viscosity. So I'm going to start with the butterfly. I think I want his wings to be blue. So we're going to go with the light blue for the wings. Some of these pieces are really big. I didn't really want big wings because this is such a small piece. Well, I hope I have enough small pieces. And now, this is just a dental pick, but I use it for my art. So I want to control how much resin gets dripped down in. I want it to cover at least hit the top of the glass. And I want to add just enough to flood this section right here. So this is very tedious. I will fast forward through all of this so you guys don't have to sit and watch and fall asleep. Okay, I just added coffee bean brown from Color Cottage, and I don't know if I want it this transparent. I'm adding more of the mica powder to get a darker, what would you call it, complexion. I want to get a darker effect. How's that? The good thing about this resin is it is really long working time. I've been here at it, I don't know how long have I been at it. Almost an hour. And it's still really viscous, so I like that. And I only fixed up 1 tablespoon. But what I'll do is I will put some Super Sparkle White. So we'll stir that in. Now we have to flood it. This is what's called flood painting. That's pretty. What do you think? I just see that ink on top? I just touched the end of the stick onto it. Put too much in there, and now it's flooding my other areas, and I shouldn't have done that. Okay, for those of you who don't know, there is a rim around these, on this edge here, around the circle. And what you want to do is bring that just right up to the edge. If you're familiar with resin, you know exactly what I'm going to say. But this there's a surface tension right there. And you don't want to break it. If you break it, it's going to pull right down in. And I probably should have freezer paper underneath this in case it does. Because if it does, it will stick to the wood, and then I'll have to fix it. Which if you've watched several of my videos, you know that's my middle name. Okay, what color should I do the background? What if I just did some glitter? Too much? Is it too much, guys? Will you answer me? Stop ignoring me. Let's do just a little bit right here and see what happens. I don't like that. So it's coming off. I got glitter in my... Ugh. Okay. Lots of mistakes. See that little overfill right there? Right there. And I've got some air bubbles. Right in through here. And there's one there. You know what? It's okay. It's the first thing that I've ever done. Some extra glitter. But I like it. This was a lot of fun. I am going to do this again. I think I'll do a dragon. All right. We'll see you next time. Love you. Bye-bye.